Hello, my name is Tut. In today's episode, we'll be cooking our egg for 2 minutes. But before we get to that, we have to go through a few rules. People often come to me and say,
"What are the rules to your show? How long should I cook my egg?"
well, these are the rules to the show, how long should I cook my egg? Rule number 1, every egg cooked must be consumed in its entirety immediately after being cooked. Rule number 2, every egg must be cooked on my red pot on my stove. Rule number 3, the most important rule, no one appearing on this program may make crude jokes or puns relating to eggs or egg paraphernalia. I can't stress this enough. No jokes. Now that we have the formalities out of the way, let's get cooking.
Childhood want to want me to be. Feelings are faces, like under the surface. Don't know what you're repeating of me. Put under pressure or walking in your shoes. Every Began so time somos moranger. I began is there. I learn to do. It is more like me. I'm biased like want me to be. Feelings are faces, like under the surface. Don't know what you're repeating of me. Put under pressure or walking in your shoes. Every step is a taking another mistake to go.
Okay, I've been told by our producers that is 2 minutes on the clock. We can now take out the egg. Okay, as you might be able to notice, this egg in comparison to the last one is at a higher heat, so the water around it has evaporated much quicker. We also have a nice brownness around the exterior of the shell. Much to my disappointment, the second egg, our 2-minute egg, is seemingly just as runny as the previous egg. Now, I don't know if this is what you guys like. Hopefully, some of you guys that are looking for a runnier egg will revisit our earlier episodes to see how we do it. It's not necessarily my favorite style of egg, but nonetheless, down the hatch. That was a lovely egg. Thanks for tuning in to the second episode of How Long Should I Cook My Egg? The egg where we go over egg things. Remember, an egg a day is... I know it looked a bit runny and it might seem like I have an adverse reaction, but it was definitely a nice egg. I recommend it if you guys wanted that egg. That can be like a post credit scene.